said to you? Nothing's real. You're making this up. It's all in your head. Wake up. Wake up. So we're just going to cook some Baja Chipotle sauce. And my Robin should come back. Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? I need you now more than it. Not you. The good Lord God. If he's real. There's definitely something. I'm not alone out here. And I've never been alone my entire life. And that makes me feel better because I've been alone my entire life. And then when I wasn't alone, they tried to kill me. And they tried to rape me. And they tried to beat me to death. And then they tried to stain my reputation. And it seems like the demonic forces would put out, let's sacrifice Casey. And then everyone I loved would show up just to join in to be like, let's tear him down. And I'm like, all I've ever done was try to make something beautiful. And I was solely focused on myself in a way that wasn't selfish. It was the best form of self-love so that I could embody a better version of myself to help everyone I saw. And no matter how buried under trauma I was, every time I found anyone, I always gave it 110%. I gave a lot of rides to junkies that tried to kill me. I gave a lot of money I didn't have to homeless people that didn't care. Because grace is giving people more than they deserve, and I understood that before I ever knew any terminology. I only went to church for AA meetings to eat Oreos and listen to the alcoholics. Which now I'm so glad that that was my upbringing instead of whatever these fucking colonizers, suburban pretenders went through. What pieces of fucking garbage around here. It just sucks because you can tell they would be good people, but they just don't even realize there's a world that's outside of their light box of delusion. Now we have the 3 burritos all set. The bugs are gone. I don't know what that is, so let's get that the fuck out of here. I'm not going to hurt you, buddy. But I'm not going away today. It's going to storm, and I'm going to enjoy myself. You fucking accuser, okay? Where's my garlic powder? A Gibson guitar? I don't want a Gibson guitar. Gimme! I am Groot. I am Groot. I am Groot, and I'm coming for your clan. No. Stop it. Cease and desist. Now we're gonna put some Parmesan fucking cheese in here because I like when I fart in the forest. Okay? It's a hobby of mine. Alright? I don't have money. I don't have a lot of things I can do, okay? Letting off a real stinker in the forest really gets me going. You know what I'm saying? Alright, guys. So we have the tortillas and the cheese and the peanut butter and the other cheese and the Baja Subway Chipotle sauce for today. That means we're ready to lose our virginity for the first time. We're going to live and be alive for once. You know what I'm saying? Come with me, peon. We must move to the next station. I love you, Vivek. Don't run away from me, you... Fuck you. Fuck you. I always think you're going to hurt me. You look at me so angry, but I'm so full of love for you, Vivek. God. You're just like my ex-girlfriend. You got pregnant before I could have a happy life with you. You guys want to be sideways now? No? I'm sideways for like 6 hours a day. Way more than 6 hours a day. All right, guys. Oh, you can't even see, man. Oh. I need you to be able to see Vivek when she comes back from wherever the fuck she's gone. Vivek, it's gonna rain. I'm sorry, but I need to cook this chicken, man. You know what? You're not my dad. How's that? Oh, fuck you. Oh, how long has that been going, man?